So I got a message. Some people have the money, they want to pay tuition fee for Finland. Yes, some people are really desperate to leave Nigeria by any cost, and some people have the funds and they don't have the pathway or the surest way they can leave Nigeria. So I'm going to be sharing this update for Finland. I'm going to be sharing you how you can apply to schools in Finland using the popular website Studyinfo.fi. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so that you can know how this thing is done, how you can search for these jobs and apply for it. Well, my name is Samson Pius, and if you're just seeing my face for the very first time, I want to say in this my channel, what I talk about is opportunity and how you can find opportunity abroad from where you are. Basically, I don't just talk about that or only, I talk about lifestyle and how abroad is in general. I encourage you to subscribe, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification button for you to get to see me again and see my videos. Opportunity does not only come but once. In my channel, it's come but a lot. If you have been watching me and you are my old subscriber, thank you very much for always tuning into this channel to watch my video and encourage me, share my videos and pressing the like and comment. I really want to say thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate. Now, I just said some people want to know how they can leave Nigeria. They don't want to go through the agent route. They just want a sure link that is sure that they can do for themselves. Well, getting an admission in Finland is a bit a hassle and they don't know how to go about it. So there's this website called Studyinfo.fi. So in that website, you can get schools you can apply for. The website is a bit complicated, just a little bit, but I'm going to be sharing my screen with you for you to be able to do this application yourself. It's not difficult. I'm going to explain it to you and you're going to do it yourself. This video is not intended to be long, and let's go right straight to my laptop. So this is my screen, and this is studyinfo.fi. Don't worry, just go and type study info on Google. It will bring you here. Even if it's not showing study info, is showing opintopunku.fi. It's still the same. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to type, let's say I want to get admitted to study a bachelor degree in business management or in health. Okay, so I'm going to put masters. Okay, let's say bachelor first. Bachelor of health, nurse. Just anything, just put it. So let's see. So we're going to go through it together and let me teach you how you can do it. So you're going to see that you can see a lot, but now we're going to go to the filter button. You can go to application, the ones that are ongoing, and the one you just click it so to filter, and the ones that will open in the next 1 month, so you can prepare for it. This I forget, you need your IELTS. In Finland, they don't joke with IELTS. You need an IELTS. Some of them comes with partial scholarship. Um, some of them come with 100% scholarship. Some of them you need to pay application fee. So be ready for this, and you need to write IELTS exam. Yes, they request for it. English proficiency exam. So, Bachelor of Healthcare registered nurse. Okay. Remember we filtered it here already. So let's check here. Let's say it goes Bachelor of Healthcare registered nurse. What competency does the graduate have? A nurse is an okay. Let's just click it and see if it's actually open. So you just keep to do the research. Our teacher will just do it. So health, Bachelor of Healthcare registered nurse, we check. University of Applied Science, everything. Okay, there's the description of the course. Then you now see the schools in it. So this one application is ongoing and we need to be sure that it's English. Okay, so when we click, we'll check. So you see, let's check if it's English. That is very, very important. Let's check this first one. So this is in Finnish language. So let's go back to where we came from. You go back. Let's just press the back button. Now we have to look for the one that is written in English. I think this is written in English, so automatically it might be English. So let's click on it. So language, English and Finnish. But I want us to see scholarship 10 to 25%. You can get scholarship. The tuition fee 10,700, not that expensive. So this one application open January and ends this January 17. You can fill the application here, and when it opens, it will be clickable. It's not clickable now. So let's go back and see the one that is 100% English. You just keep searching for it like this. Just keep searching. It's a lot. It's plenty there, so you don't need to worry too much. What's wrong with my internet? See another one. We're going to check. We're trying to go back. I'm not going back. So let's leave this school and let's see the next slide. Let's see the next slide. Okay, see this Lapland University apply site. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Okay, this is English. This is even free of charge. You can see English and Finnish. So you can also apply for this one because it's the two. Most of them will start with English, then round up with Finnish. They'll teach you though. And let's just go back to the beginning. Since all these ones here are all dual language. So Bachelor of Health, let's see this. Let's see this. Laura USA International Separate Education. So see this. Let's check. It's 9,005. Laura University of Applied Science. Basic information. This is totally in English. 4 years course, 15% scholarship, contact teaching, 9,500 euros. And this is the description. You read it, and let's check the application. Is opening next month, closing next month. Begin to you have to study begin spring, which is January 2025. You fill the application when it opens. Now you can now start asking questions. These are contact persons. These are the emails. You can start asking questions. Any question you want to ask, send your emails here. Laura admission, send your email. When can I apply without this? Just send your email. What are the anything you want to ask? Send them here. So I'll teach you how to do it. Let's see for people who want to apply for masters. Let's go for masters. Masters. Let's check master in. Okay, let's say I want to study data analysis. Master in data analysis. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Masters in data analysis. Okay, let me click this. Let's see what they have. Information and communication technology. So you read the description on your own, then this is it. Master's in degree in project management and data project. Let's click this. Let's click this. Then it taught in English language. You can see English. 1 year and 6 months, you'll be done. Scholarship is one that gives 10%. Let's call it 10%, 0 to 1,005 or 15%. This is 10,000. They can do distance, online, and independent learning, whichever one. And You can application opens January, ends January. So if you are not prepared, start preparing for it now. When it opens, it's going to be clickable. Ask any question you want to ask in the contact below. All this just go down to where information for contact person is. Ask any question, send them in email, call them if you have the if you can call for like international call, call them. Anything you want to ask them here. I'm very sure they'll respond. Then yeah, also send them a mail to their graduate office, to the University of Applied Science. And basically, that is how you just find it. So all I would just need you to do is to come to this website and ransack it, press anything you want to press, try and apply. Your luck might shine. Thank you very much. My name is Samson Pius. If you find this very informative and helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate. God bless you. Till I see you again in my next video. Have a wonderful evening.